Up top, Links 007 TV family, how you doing? It's a beautiful Tuesday. Hope and trust that everyone is doing okay. Hope that you all are having a wonderful and a blessed day. So you know what I always do, normally check in with you guys, making sure that you all are doing fine and that everything is going good as always. You know, we're living in a time right now where things are going so haywire. Things are not predictable anymore, and we just have to just continue to just do what we have to do. We see how the COVID is doing the world right now, especially in the Caribbean island of Jamaica, and we see how that is going as well. But boy, the government is doing all they can, so we just have to just continue to support the movement, what they're doing with the lockdown and everything. We see it's spiraling out of control where people require oxygen and they can't even get the oxygen they need in order to survive. We see the shortage of that went through last week into this week, and the government have just announced that they were able to get some from overseas as well. But we see that this pandemic, the stress that it has caused on many people's life, we see the devastation as well that it has caused for many. But what can I say? We just have to still continue to just maintain the focus and still be positive about life and still try our very best to protect ourselves as always, because no one knows what the future holds, and we can't turn a blind eye to what is going on around the world right now, because we see how this thing is ravaging life. We see how this thing has caused the world to turn upside down, especially throughout the past 2 years now that this has been around, because this came out in 2019 and we're in 2021 now. So can you just imagine, no one expected that this thing would have lasted so long, and we have seen how it has lasted for a good while now, and no one knows whether or not this will go away anytime soon. We don't know, but what can we do? We still have to maintain that composure and that positive outlook on life. We can't think about the negative side of life. We still have to be positive and hope for the best, and hopefully one day that this thing will just go away. So just bless up the viewers, the subs as always, and much love and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, as always. You know, Links TV always trying to just keep you guys informed and just try to keep you up to date with what's going on around the world and everywhere else as well. So we know how we do our thing on this platform as always. Much love, much respect, the viewers, the subs. So we're just basically taking out a walk right now, and we're actually on the road right now, as you can see. So much love, much respect, the viewers, subs. Peace out. Bless. Links TV.